Hey, Samu.
Hey.
Hey. So what is your favorite underused or hidden feature in Smile Design that our customers are not using?
I think that would definitely be the design notes tool, where you can add measurements and annotations to your pictures. And what I think is really cool, you can put a calibration measurement, for example, and from then you can add all sorts of measurements which will be automatically show the correct measurement based on your calibration. And it will also show automatically on the output photo, so you can easily communicate it to your lab as well. You can find it if you want to see on the screen.
Sure.
So if you scroll all the way to the bottom of the panel on the left, in any of the steps, you can find design notes. And here you can use it to, for example, input a calibration measurement.